The Crypto Fear and Greed Index currently stands at 66, indicating greed in the market. This level suggests investors are feeling confident, which could support further short-term rallies. However, heightened greed can also lead to overbought conditions, increasing the risk of a correction. In the medium term, traders should remain cautious, as the market could reverse if sentiment shifts. Overall, this index signals a positive, but potentially volatile, environment for crypto investors in the near future. Bitcoin has surged close to $108,000 amid cautious optimism about a potential Israel-Iran peace truce. This geopolitical development has boosted market sentiment, prompting traders to buy into the rally. In the short term, this news could sustain upside momentum, possibly pushing Bitcoin higher. However, uncertainties remain, and any geopolitical reversal might trigger a correction. Overall, this positive trend could benefit Bitcoin and altcoins over the next few weeks. Tether plans to become the world's largest Bitcoin miner by the end of 2025, according to its CEO. This strategic move leverages Tether's significant resources to expand mining operations, potentially increasing Bitcoin's network security and supply. In the medium to long term, this could stabilize Bitcoin's hash rate and positively influence market confidence. However, it also introduces new dynamics in Bitcoin's supply and distribution that traders need to watch. Bitcoin bulls are firmly in control, as the price jumps to nearly $108,000. This rally signals strong buying interest and liquidity absorption, possibly setting the stage for a new all-time high. In the short term, traders might see upward momentum continue, but caution is advised due to potential volatility around key resistance levels. Overall, this surge boosts confidence in Bitcoin's bullish trend for the coming months. Coinbase and the U.S. Secret Service have partnered to seize over $225 million in illicit crypto assets linked to scams. This significant law enforcement action highlights increasing regulatory pressure and emphasizes the importance of security for investors. While positive for market integrity, it may temporarily shake confidence in certain parts of the ecosystem. Over the medium term, it could encourage greater compliance and safety measures in crypto trading. Ethereum's chart now signals a death cross for the first time since 2022, indicating potential bearish momentum. Historically, similar signals have preceded major declines in ETH, raising caution among traders. In the short term, this could lead to downward pressure. However, long-term investors should wait for clearer signals before panicking. Overall, it is a warning sign that a correction may be near, urging caution. Bitcoin's rising correlation with stocks is now seen as a sign of dollar fragility, rather than risk appetite. This suggests investors are moving away from USD-backed assets into Bitcoin as a safe haven, especially amid concerns over United States dollar stability. In the medium term, this trend could bolster Bitcoin's position as digital gold, supporting higher prices. However, it also reflects underlying economic uncertainties that traders should monitor. Gelato and Morpho have partnered to enable embedded crypto-backed loans for wallets, brokers, and fintech apps. This development aims to increase DeFi lending capacity and expand crypto usage in everyday finance. In the short to medium term, it could boost DeFi activity and user adoption, positively impacting the overall crypto ecosystem by offering more lending options and liquidity. Investors are increasingly shifting from sovereign bonds to Bitcoin, driven by Bitcoin's rising role as a financial asset and a hedge. This paradigm shift indicates a growing trust in crypto as a store of value, especially amid low bond yields and economic uncertainties. In the medium to long term, this trend could strengthen Bitcoin's market position and attract institutional interest. Dogecoin recently closed a daily candle with a doji pattern. This signals a potential trend reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. Traders are watching this closely because it suggests increased buying pressure. After recent drops below $0.2, this could mark the start of a rally, especially if broader market conditions remain bullish. In the short term, Doge may see a bounce, but confirmation is needed for sustained gains. Golden Mining reports average profits of nearly $9,800 per investor during Bitcoin's recent surge, demonstrating the platform's ability to capitalize on market volatility. This highlights how innovative cloud mining platforms attract retail traders seeking stable income. In the medium term, this could boost confidence in crypto mining investments, but always remember to evaluate the risks involved. Polymarket's approaching $1 billion valuation, along with BitGo reaching $100 billion in assets under custody, reflects strong institutional and retail confidence. These milestones suggest growing mainstream acceptance and robustness of crypto infrastructure. In the medium to long term, they could support further growth in adoption and market stability. XRP whales are accumulating heavily after dips below $2. Traders see this as a gift for future gains. Experts predict XRP could reach $7, driven by investor confidence and potential regulatory clarity. In the short to medium term, this accumulation may trigger a rally, but investors should stay cautious regarding regulatory developments that could impact prices.